Haiden Deegan's rookie year just keeps getting better, with his first win happening only a couple rounds ago, and now his first overall motocross win in his rookie year. You have to say, it's going well. And yes, you can put the little caveat on it that Hunter Lawrence did crash out, so whatever, but he did go 2-3. That's a very consistent day. Considering, Kitchen went 7-1 behind him, 4-4, 9-2 for the people. Like, 2-3 is a pretty good showing. And now it gets even better, because with Hunter Lawrence being at 200 points and Haiden Deegan being at 189, 11 points is a very, very small lead. And let's say Hunter misses a round, gets a little hurt, whatever, and we're right on the track of he might be competing for the title this year. But in the comments below, you tell me. Do you think Hunter's going to be out for a round? Is he fine? He just had a little bit of a stinger and whatever? Or does this competition get a lot closer than, Lawrence wanted it? And Deegan might maybe actually compete for being second in the standings, he is competing at this point. But he might be in the real contention for a championship in his rookie year. In the comments below, you tell me. Do you think he has a chance? Do you think Hunter comes back and dominates for the rest of the rounds and wins? Whatever it is, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.